So, so I still don't know how you and Anuja met.
So we were in the same college together, and while we became friends, then we started dating only after we started working at the same law firm together.
Become a little bit like, yeah. So like, when was the first time you saw her and you decide? When was the first time you decided that she is the one? You can look at.
It's a difficult question, but it was while we were dating. I think we both decided, although we didn't mention it to each other early on, and we left it for quite some time later. But I think in that process we realized that we're there for each other.
And so like and like talking about Anuja, like you know her so well now, like any good moment you remember with her when you actually thought about it that okay, I have to get married to this girl only. And how was the journey with her?
Journey's been a lot of fun. We've had a lot of great moments. It's very difficult to choose actually from that. We love traveling, and we've had a lot of good experiences traveling with friends, etc. And the one thing that I do like her about, like about most in her is that she cares for others more than she cares for herself. She will go out of her way to do anything for her friends, for her loved ones, for her family. And I think that's the one thing that attracted me most towards her.
And any message for her?
I'm sure this journey is going to have its challenges, but it'll be super fun, and I can promise you that.
Okay, I think the other team is waiting for you, so I'll leave.
We knew each other very little back then, and one particular night we hung out a lot and probably got to know each other a little better. But that was about it in college. It was when we were working at the same law firm. We started hanging out a lot, and that's how we started to date.
When was your like this is it moment with me? Yeah,
He
I want
asked
to
me that
know.
question in the morning.
I just want to know. Or maybe I should wait for the video. But there's no pressure.
Actually thinking now because I want to.
I thought you
know
already
the answer
answered
to
it.
myself. Actually, didn't answer this exact point.
Okay.
I answered why I felt that you were the right person, and I also realized that it was during the course of our relationship, not right at the beginning,
Oh.
but in the beginning, how can you tell? Yeah, but
I
during
knew
the
in the
course,
beginning.
please. I can counter that later, so don't. But yeah, during the course, sometime I realized that.
No, but when was it? I actually don't know the answer to this.
It's okay.
Okay, take your time. Think about it.
Okay, I'll tell you. Remember in 2017 I had to have that surgery, and then she was the only person basically who came to meet me at the hospital because it was far away and
I was your girlfriend.
yeah, but the kind of and this is the reason when I was answering in the morning I was saying that the best quality about her is that she cares for other people more than she cares for herself. And it was one of those instances where like she went out of her way despite her schedule, and although we were dating, yes, I was in the hospital for just one night, and only because he had to claim insurance I had to stay in the hospital for the night. But she came there late at night after visiting hours, and she got chocolates and juice and everything that she knew that I would need for night. But yeah, it was those times where you actually didn't need so much attention or love, but you got it, and again, it's that quality about her that attracts me to her. And it was around that time I realized that
Oh yeah, I realize now because I think at that point of time you finally introduced me to your mom properly, and then your mom found out about me being a special friend.
no, she knew pehle se.
Acha. But I think maybe that's the time we met first.
No,
we
we met her
before.
my birthday.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want to know, when did you guys meet for the first time? From June. What memory you have?
In college, I guess. Was it because of Akshay or something we spoke to that we were common friends or something? Maybe.
No, from what I remember, the first time I ever spoke to you, ever, without knowing you at all, was when you were my secret Santa.
No, that wasn't it. We spoke before also.
Acha. So we also had like a surprise common friend who was not from college. Like there was no reason for us to have him as a common friend. They're literally both family connections.
Yeah.
And then I think we
I think
sort
we
of
got talking because
got to
of,
know each other
yeah,
like properly
yeah,
there also through that.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I really feel like Secret Santa was the first time I noticed you properly, like your existence.
Nice.
Until since, so we know many stories. So you can't lie. Okay. So since when?
But you're assuming that what she's saying is correct.
Not she.
It's other people. Oh, okay.
See, you don't have to be a lawyer all the time.
Yeah. So.
But what are their stories based on?
Acha, listen to him.
Sorry.
Okay, Mutabik, we came to know that. Okay, I won't tell. Okay. Since when you like?
Don't lie. Be honest. Admit it.
Yeah, I mean, in college I sort of did like her, and at some point of time.
Which one?
I guess after that, 2013, 14, 2014 only.
The party? Yeah, that was your farewell. Yeah, that party was super fun. We did like really random things. It was raining, and it was a full-fledged farmhouse party, but it started raining.
It was very cold.
85% of the crowd sort of found shelter, but like there were 10 or 15 people who decided to get drenched and because we were already drunk. We were some of those few people.
We had a fun night, like we were busy
We stole people's
tripping
shoes,
people and throwing ice on people
We
and
tripped people and we
like randomly.
we were really like throwing ice at like chunks of ice at each other. It was pretty scary actually now that I think about it.
It was a fun night.
we were very drunk, but we had a lot of fun. And like again, I had probably never spoken to you properly before that. Yeah.
So what happened in her internship days?
Because she was sitting close to me. Arey what? Oh.
You already loved me by then.
He has to answer
No,
his
Ankit, you
own
have
question.
It's Ankit's.
That is not true. And because you're from the same college, and because in a place like that place was, when you find people you know, then you sort of feel comfortable, and we started talking. Also, there was another friend of ours who was from college in the same place. So we started talking, and then we went out on a couple of dates, and then I did start liking her. Or maybe it reignited my earlier feelings. or
That's
something
right.
like that.
When
But initially, when you were there, my feelings were not ignited.
when
It was
listen,
subsequently.
please, the first day I joined, he was ill and out of office that day, so he sent me a sorry text saying
Because
I'm
you
sorry.
had messaged me saying I'm joining him tomorrow.
Sure, you're that polite to everyone. No. And then
I am.
no,
I
you sent
am.
me I'm really sorry. I can't guide you around office. I'll be there tomorrow. And then the first thing in the morning, he came and he found me.
That's not true. I remember this, and you cannot dispute this. I found you on the staircase while going on the second floor, and we bumped into each other. I did not
Yeah.
come to find you. So now you can, for yourself, determine that.
So okay, it took one day for the feelings to get reignited.
No, it took many days.
Okay, whatever. As long as you love me now, that's what matters. You do, right? Okay.
My feelings are very good.
How was it that day?
It was very exciting as how it is when you're you think you're getting into a relationship or you're trying to impress someone or try to hang out with them more and stuff. So it was very exciting. And it was and she had just joined also, and we used to be busy also, but we had to take out we wanted to take out time also, so it was a good experience.
I think that for me, it wasn't so slow. I think it moved very fast for me. When I joined, like in a couple of days only, we went out for our first date. And then, that was it for me. I just like knew.
And almost blind.
Blinding lights in our eyes.
Yeah. I of course look forward to a very happy life because I now have someone who's there with me the entire time, and not just that you call someone or you speak on WhatsApp, it's different. But to have someone with you all the time is something very exciting. Right now I'm still not used to it because it doesn't feel very different right now. Feels like we're here attending someone else's wedding.
Yeah.
But I guess in another week's time we'll sink in that we are together the entire time. And because till now when we meet mostly we're in the best of moods to meet each other, but now we have to be together sometimes even when we may not be in the mood to talk to
Like
each
right
other.
now, we were very crabby with each other.
Yeah, because we're tired, hungry.
Angry.
So I'm looking forward to all that, to see ourselves grow because because till now we always share the best moments with each other, not the not so good moments. So I think we'll grow as persons in that manner, and we'll build our professional lives, our personal lives, and I'm excited for that. I have not thought of this marriage to be a culmination of something. I have always thought, and I've told her also, that from tomorrow it's our first day. So you have to start afresh tomorrow. And it's a lot of responsibility. Things will change. But I'm looking forward to everything. Not as that, we fatri hai, abhi kya karunga, but it's a challenge. It's a new challenge. Like how a new phase of life.
One promise.
I will try my best to be as patient as I can.
Oh, very sweet. That matters a lot. Maybe I should do the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I won't piggyback off you. I do think that I'll do two promises. One is that I promise to be as patient as I can with you as well. I also feel like I think that I don't know, growing together, like he said and I've said, matters a lot to the both of us, and I will do my very best.
Yeah. See, the thing is that till now, because we've stayed with our families and you know how they function. So if you get upset with them or they get upset with you, you don't care about it. ठीक है, after 2 days you'll be talking again. But now it's different. Until we know each other so well that we know कि ठीक है लड़ाई हो गई तो हो गई. It'll be okay after.
I feel like even now though, like we fight and then 2 days.
But those 2 days, then maybe we don't speak to each
scary.
other and we're not there in the same room or in the same house.
Yeah.
So it'll be different that way.
Okay, I promise that what I was gonna say originally was that I promise that I will do my very best to aid both of our growth in terms of our careers and our personal life. Because I know that when we have each other's support, everything is just better. So I don't want to make you ever feel like I'm holding you back from anything. I don't know. Okay, I'll also promise that within the next 5 years, I'll watch Chuk Chuk. At least.
Have you seen it? No.
Good, don't watch it.
Watch it once.
No. It's
Okay.
bad.
No, and also one thing I'm looking forward to is doing daily things in life. It's not just spending times other watching movies or something, but like daily things,
Yeah.
doing laundry, cooking food, or going out for walks.
We sound
or-
like such noobs, right?
Yeah, but everything, everything. Yeah, it's not just to.
Yeah, it is the small things. I think that.
The things that make you bond,
Yeah.
not just
That's
the husband,
right.
wife,
That's exactly right. I
kids
think
also. And
that it's just, in the end, it's about being a team and attacking life together.
yeah, I know. I've seen with a lot of people. Like I know some couples who go for a walk like every day, 1 hour, 2 hours. A time for them to bond with each other. Like no, okay, acha, you had a difficult day or a nice day. You share feelings. So I guess all these activities give you a chance to bond, rather than कि अच्छा काम से आए now let's just get in bed, watch TV, eat food. That's all. It's a little monotonous. But these things kind of
Select an activity which you guys will.
Yeah. We're probably going to watch Netflix in the end.
yeah because
we
it's,
might fight over it.
because it's nice winters right now. And you want to stay in bed.
No, we do want to play more golf together.
Yeah, we want to learn golf together,
Yeah.
go out for walks.
And maybe another musical instrument.
Yeah.
These are all COVID things coming out. Like, do some like hobby building stuff.
Yeah, but hobbies, yeah, we do want to explore some hobbies together.
See, I think what's coming through is essentially how excited we are to like really build together. And the other thing is that something that's very common to the both of us is it's not ambition as much as aspirations. So we both have very lofty aspirations. It doesn't mean that he technically does run his own practice. I don't mean that I want to run my own practice, but I just want to be we talked about this, about how at some point of time, we want to be those people who, if you give like just verbal advice, I know this is our lawyer side coming out, but like just if you give verbal advice to something, people will take that on its face value because you are so
Yeah.
accepted in terms of
Yeah,
your.
it's just that we want to try to be the best at what we are doing.
Really?
Not in terms of getting remunerated, but just
Yeah,
in terms of
just-
like
just
how we've
be-
liked this place, we've liked you guys being here, the food and everything, and we tell people कि हाँ, we had a great experience here. That's how we want us in our field that these two people are good at what they do.
They're good at what they do.
Appreciation.
We can trust them. We want to be those people. We just want to be trustworthy professionals and obviously people in life. I think we really match about those things.
And traveling also.
And traveling. I love that. I love the fact that we both like to travel with each other. I also love the fact that okay, we are not I'm not going to say we are not material people, but I still think that we both have a sense of not caring about like big brands or whatever. What matters to us is quality. And he and I are both like that. It doesn't matter where it comes from, if it's good. So this also applies to like daily things. Like literally, you must have heard 500 times people saying Anuja likes chole bhature. I'm that kind of person. I know what you can get, but I know what comfort is. And that's what is important to both of us.
And we also value whatever our parents have done for us.
Yeah, absolutely. And not just parents, but everyone around us, including like our friends, That's, and like we have both understood. I'm sorry I'm speaking for you,
No,
but
no, it's fine.
I feel like we've both realized what the importance of good people in our life is. And we just,
Being good person.
I really feel like we both have understood there is no time for toxic people in our lives. And we are now surrounding ourselves with quality in terms of our living, in terms of our family, in terms of our relationships with other people, including friends, and our work life. And I think I love that. I love that we are looking for just growth is the best word to describe it. Yeah. It's so cute.
Cheers.
I don't have a drink. You drink and then I'll drink.
Where the hell are my friends?
He's back.
I know.